So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Guys, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everything is working fine on your side. And like always, everyone is ready for a new challenge. So, as you might have already checked my screen, so today we are having a new guest along with us. So, Hemant Modi ji is along with us. So, today we are going to try something new. We are going to have a collective challenge where we will be trading all together. We will try to help you with all your trading concerns. So today everything will be in the in a double format. So initially I was supposed to give you a $5 risk free trade, so that will be double, so it will be $10. At the same time, two analysts, so of course double information. So thank you so much, Hemanji. Thank you so much for joining this session.
Thank you so much, Kunal, and very good evening. Namaskar to everyone. So, I'm your old friend Hemant Modi. After a long time, back on the evening session. Yes, today we have a battle, as you already see on our description. So, we are going to do some trading interesting way and with using some strategies. What you need to do, you need to just try to guess who will be the winner and who will get maybe some more uh, profitability today. And the description of the link is the link description is already in the description box as well as the comment box. You can see it. What you need to do, just click on it, keep your ID, put it over here, just your ID and the name of the analyst who will be the winner today, like Hemant Modi or Kunal. So be ready. We are going to start now.
Perfect. And traders, one more thing I just want to tell you that or you can just check, you can cross verify that how much balance we have. So as I have somewhere around 18,846. So you are supposed to make a calculation that how much one of us will be making before winding up this session, and whosoever will be making the correct guess or the nearest one will be winner for a $10 risk. Okay, so we will be using different strategies, different technicals. Two mindsets will be there, so we will try to explain everything. And in the meantime, I'll confirm comment section is already active. If you will be finding any difficulty, question, query, doubt, feel free to write us there. We will be forwarding coming there also. So okay, Himaji, let's start today's session. So which strategy you are thinking to apply?
Well, guys, before starting, I would like to also suggest you and request you one thing, that we are going to live and we are going to do some trades, but try to not copy us, because trading is a very risky thing, and it can unnecessarily take your pressure. So you can just follow us, you can just see us. We will going to describe about the strategy also, and we are going to open the trades as well as we can see. We can provide you the proper entry points and all things. And we are also not the son of gods, like we will have all trades become successful. So please do not copy, and also remember that we are going live. However, there is some lag of around 15 to 20 or maybe 40 seconds. So maybe if you try to copy us and we started our trade, and we are maybe near to end and you start on that trade that time, so please do not copy, just focus, check, and let's start, Kunal. So I'll try to open trades with some two strategies basically. So guys, as I'm the guest today, so maybe I have the pleasure to open this ceremony. Thank you so much, Kunal. So first of all, what we need to do? What is the strategy? The strategy is the way to get some prediction of the asset, but it's not going to be 100%. Means strategy is not the guarantee of the success, guys. Please remember. So we need to go. So we are sharing our screen as per the mobile application. What we need to do here is the technical analysis. Just need to click it. But remember that if you are using the mobile application, you will not able to see this kind of a screen. You only see here is the SMA, EMA, and this indicator option, you will get it on the downside here. So on the fourth section, which is called the strategy, you will get the strategies according to your account status. If you are having starter status, then you will get the 8 strategies. If you have the advanced status, then you will get 7 more strategies. So total number is 15. And if you will have a expert status, then you will get 8 more, and our 3 AI strategies. So today I'm going to try to use my luck by using the Millennium. Millennium is the strategy which is belongs to the only two things. There is a Heikin-Ashi candlesticks as well as the oscillator called DPO, Detrended Price Oscillator. Once you click to the strategy, you will see the small window. Here is a small video of the description of the strategy and how to open the trade. It's not going to more than 2 minutes, Then basics and components. What we need to do, enable the strategy. Okay, I'm so sorry. Just there is some lag. There is a bug which we found today. I'm so sorry for that. All right. So here is the strategy. Strategy called Millennium. The Millennium belongs to two things. The above side you can see the Heikeneishi candle is there, and with the Heikeneishi candle we have nearby a DPO, detrended price oscillator. The detrended price oscillator works with peaks and apps of the asset price. So here is a horizontal line. If you can see, time to time, DPO just cross the line horizontal from up to bottom and bottom to top. Whenever the line is going to cross, you can see there is a signal. However, again, remember the thing, nothing is going to provide you the 100% success rate. Also, one more thing, whenever you are using any strategy, any indicator, the starting signal is always better to open the trades. I just open a trade with the $20. As you can see my balance right now, I mean the please less $20 for now. If I will get profitability, then I will get $20 plus 91% of the $20 as well. So what is the meaning of the starting signals or fresh signal? Remember one thing, in case of DPO, what is the good way to open the trade? If the trend is properly moving towards to down to up and up to down, okay, so my trade is going to be positive, guys. So I open the account. So remember, whenever the price properly moving towards to down to up and just coming up, then we will have a chance to open the trade on these kind of a strategy. So I open the trade. Where I open the trade, let me show you. All right, here. So the full candle is here. If you want to open the trade by candle using the millennium, you need to only follow two things. For uptrend side, guys, remember, candle should be green and DPO should be above the line. I open downtrend or uptrend? Yeah, it's uptrend, but it's showing, unfortunately, there is some issue. Okay, so do not try to open the trade by using these kind of candle or when you see the trend of uncertainty. What is the trend of uncertainty? When we are having this kind of candle, doesn't matter big or small, but if one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, that is called the trend of uncertainty. Uncertainty. I'm so sorry, which is actually holding or just looping your asset or its flat trend situation. Try to not open the trade. So Kunal, I open my account. Now it's your turn. However, just a second, please. So sorry. Those who don't have the advanced status, are they are not able to use this strategy? Not like that. What you need to do, guys, remember again, first of all, you need to go here on, here you can see the 1M is written over there. Change your candlestick from Japanese candlestick to Heikeneishi candlesticks. Idea number one. Idea number two, again, you need to go to the technical analysis. Click to the oscillator section, which you will see here on the second downside. Click to the oscillator. There is an oscillator called DPO, detrended price oscillator. Just click it over here, and you need to change the parameter of the DPO. By default, it's showing 21. You need to make it 10, and you need to change that visual of this. So it's already on the Instagram. Color is okay. Boom. So here we go. DPO, as I mentioned, that just showing you the peaks and apps of the asset and providing you the entry point of the trade. It can be help you to find and determine the basic entry point as well as the trend level. So Kunal, I just explained the strategy. You can start your strategy till I'll do some more trades.
So, traders, let me confirm. Tell you one more thing. So today the trade amount will be $20. So each of us will be taking a trade with $20 each. So that like we'll be able to like if we are able to make some profits, of course we will be able to make the same amount profit. So that is going to be the first condition. And second thing, whosoever will be making the perfect guess or perfect calculation will be getting a $10 risk-free trade. So I'm expecting more and more entries. Okay, so I can see that we have received already one entry, and again today Hema ji is in trending. So we got the first confirmation that Hemant Modi ji will be making almost $65. So it's good to see. And let me start also. So I have opened a couple of trades when Himaji was talking about different technical. But again, traders, I want to tell you that there are no such strategies, or like 95 to 98% of strategies can be applied manually. So before buying any strategy, any technical, make sure you just cross check what exactly we are supposed to apply for that. Like today I am using Friday strategy because it's Friday, so let's use Friday. So for that, all we need EMA 13, 5 and 55. So of course that can be applied manually. And once you apply it manually, rather than applying it again and again, click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and everything will be streamlined. So no need to apply it again and again, and at the same time that will be free for you. So, Modi ji, I have also tried my luck, but I think today it's not my day, and it's almost about to US market is about to open. So, I have opened almost four trades. One was positive, and this fifth one is about to go positive. But I am looking forward for some more positions. So let me explore. And traders, I can see that there are a few comments also. So of course we will be coming to that as well. Nothing to worry. So let me just try to explore. Okay, so my gold trade was also positive. So out of five, two trades are already positive. And let me check if any of the signal is there. And again, requesting to everyone, please avoid doing a copy trading, because there is a possibility that the signal or the trade which we will be opening right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. So that can lead to some negative results. So please avoid making some negative results. Apart from that, you can focus on that, how the strategies are working, what mindset, what technicals we are using, what are the things we are considering. So that will help you to trade even after that session, because this session is hardly live for next 45 minutes, but you have to trade after that. So I request you again, please try to avoid copy trading. Just focus on the technicals, how we are using. And if you talk about the strategy which I am using, so it's very simple. It's a trend following strategy, you can consider as. So in that one, all you just need to focus on the low frequency of EMA. Whenever the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that can be the direction of the market. Now, why I am saying that can be, as Hemaji also mentioned, that these are just technical tools which are based on some mathematical calculation. So there is a possibility that it will not help you to make some profitable results. That can lead to some negative results also. So, and that is a reason that we always suggest that do not only rely on the technical, and also work on your risk management and money management. Because the basic rule of trading, what does it say? You can make money if you have money. And having money, that doesn't mean that you have some money in your bank account. Having money is, I am always trying to say that that is the capital which you have in your trading account. So consider that amount and then start trading. And I have tried to open a couple of opportunities. So one trade was positive, two are in pipeline. So compound is also looking good, and let's see how the Mahajantram is looking. Okay, so compound looks like that it will go positive. I am planning to open another position also, because there is another intersection. Okay, so on compound, I have two position. One is about, okay, so one is positive, Mahajantram, and compound is ongoing. So Hemaji, your turn. I think like I am doing good now.
Well, in the meantime, I have 4 out of 4 positive trade, bro.
Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Okay, let's take some comments, because as we see that there is some comments over there. So let me share my screen. Okay, so as you can see, guys, these are my trades which I started, and right now I have 4 out of 4 trades are positive. 2 trades are already in running way. Let's take some comments. Okay, so Vikas Mandalji, hello, namaskar. Anilji, what's up, sir? I'm so sorry about your experience, guys. Please let me know why you are thinking like this. We are here to actually help you. Like if you are facing any issues, any problem, anything about application, about trading, about anything, you can write it. You know, Olymptrade actually surviving, not surviving even. Olymptrade is running happily and very confidently and very positively from last 11 years. And there is no any other trading company, as I feel. I'm not going to take any name of company, but who can just teach you how to trade. We are always providing you some, benefits, like what to do, where to do, how to open the trade, what is the strategies, and each and everything. So earn, try to learn. If you are going to learn, then definitely you will get some earnings. So, Dharmen Tiwari ji, hello, 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 everyone. Okay, BB4 romantic cuts. It is fixed time. Yes, it's a fixed time trading. Usually we are using the fixed time trading. Also, having some trades in forex also. So it depends on us, like what we like. But for now, we discussed about the fixed time trades. So you can open some trades by using the fixed time trade. Okay, Salim I'm so sorry, I'm not able to pronounce the name. Salim Ranki. Okay. Test the indicator in live. Yeah, actually, we are doing the same, sir. If you can see that we are just testing the indicator live. Actually, the indicator strategy we are using. And for now, the situation is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades out of 7, I have the positive trades, guys. Okay. Mm-hmm. असीम आसिफ 14,000 हार चुका हूँ. आई एम सो सॉरी असीम जी, बट आपको थोड़ा सा अपनी ट्रेडिंग पे फोकस करना होगा. मुझे दुख है आपके हार का सुन के, लेकिन आपको ये देखना होगा कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं और कैसे कर रहे हैं. ओके, BB4 romantic cuts is asking like OTC market is good, bro. Sir, the important thing is this: from where we are getting the money, everything is fine. All right. Whenever you are doing anything, like if you feel that OTC, if you are able to get the money, no problem. You can directly open the trades and getting some profitability over there. So don't worry about it. Okay. What expiry time you take, bro? Okay. So usually whenever we are going to open the trades, we follow one basic rule. At least we have the similar condition of the candle of trading time. Like I putting the 1 minute time frame and I open a trade with the 1 minute time frame as well. However, the better thing is, like if you are choosing the time frame, whatever the time frame you choose, doesn't matter. 15 second, 20, 30 second, 1 minute, 20 second. Your trading time should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. It will provide you the more better results. Okay, it will provide you the more better results. So don't worry about it. What you need to do, you just need to practice it. I'm not saying that put higher money to practicing. No, just put little bit money. Like if you are from India, just you can put 70 rupees. If you are from outside, like using the USD account, you can put the only $1 for trading. That is enough. But what you need to do, you need to do practice. The practice can help you to understand how the strategy work. That's the key factor, guys. All right, and why withdrawal is taking so long? Unfortunately, there is a basic timing of the withdrawal, 24 hour to 5 working days. However, if you are having more than 24 to 5 working days timing, then I would like to request you kindly contact the support team. So again, I'm opening some trades, guys. Let me show you how to open the trades for the downtrend. Just like that, you see it over here. I previously opened some trades for the upper trend, and here I opened the trade for downtrend. Again, I'm repeating starting signal. So the trend is properly moving towards to down, and we got here the proper red candle and the DPOs below the line. Both signals are matching, and boom, we should open the trade, and basically we are getting some profitability over here. So what you need to do, just you need to focus and beware with the levels. Maximum time, what happened, we just lose the trade once we open the trade and we got some, suddenly the trend is going down and we got some opposite direction trend. Why? Because there is a previous candles which stopping the way. Here, as you can see, I opened the trade and I had suddenly I just get the opposite direction. Why? Previous candle which is stopping the way of the trading, the candle or trend, that is called the levels. So sometimes a strategy can be helpful, but levels is supremacy. Your turn, Kunal.
Completely agree with that, Modi ji. So, traders, you have to focus on that. It's not only about investing money. You need to invest some time also. And investing time means that you have to learn that what technicals you are supposed to use, what graphical candle patterns you are supposed to focus on, what fundamental information is floating into the market. So you have to update it, keep yourself updated regarding that. And at the same time, as Modi ji mentioned, that Like whenever you are trading, like you have to focus on a couple of more things. So like in case if you are using any technical, basically which I am focusing on. So if you are using any Japanese candle technical tool, so majority of them I am always suggesting that you should focus on three things. First one, it should be always a trending market. Do not take trade, like see, market is always moving in three different direction: upward, downward, and sideways. Always look forward for some position when the market is trending. As there is a old saying that trend is your friend. Of course, Hemant, Modi ji, and Kunal, we are also your friend, but trend is also your friend, so you need to focus on that. Second thing, whenever you are going to take a trade, so make sure there are no such support or resistance level. Now, I am going to open a trade on the basis of this resistance level. The reason behind, so I have just changed my technical. I have just moved to a more easier technical, which is known as stochastic. In that, all we just focusing on overbought and oversold zone. So I have opened one position on the basis of that the market is already in the overbought zone. At the same time, market is stuck somewhere in the resistance level. If the market will breach, there is a possibility that market will continue that direction for next 2 to 3 candle. But if the market will bounce back, of course there is an opportunity to grab. Now we can see that the market is about to breach that level, but still market is trying to get hold with that. Now the third thing, whenever you are going to open any trade, make sure you consider the body of the previous candle. Let me make it very easy. 100 number of patterns are there, so that will be very hard to memorize. But let me give you the easiest way. Bigger the body, smaller the wick. That can be considered as a good candle. So all you just need to focus on the what was the candle formation of the previous candle where you are about to initiate your trade. And these are the things you are supposed to focus on. Let me also take couple of comments. So we take after that candle. So where we have left, 5 second forex trading को कैसे decode करें? See, Ujwal ji, if you talk about the 5 second forex trading, so forex trading means like you are going to hold your opportunity, you are going to hold your position, and then you are going to make some profit. Now, if you think that in 5 seconds you will be able to make some profit, that doesn't sound, because in 5 seconds, I believe you will not be able to even, cover the commission which is going to be charged on that. So you need to focus on that part. In forex, we are going to hold our position as long as the market is in our favor, and more profit. The best part of forex is like there is no limit that how much profit you can make on that. Like in if I talk about fixed time trade, the maximum profitability is 93. But in forex, there is a possibility that you can make 300, 400, or even more than that percentage. All you just need to grab the opportunity at a correct time and exit the market at correct time. Okay, so there is one more question. Okay, Isaac, I'm a beginner. Which stock will you advise to invest? See, Isaac, here we are not going to invest on a specific asset. We are going to take trades, and it's not like that. We need to focus on a specific asset. That is the reason that we are always suggesting. Do not focus like Hemaji. That you might be also facing this scenario. Like sometime what traders are doing, so they are just focusing on a asset which is giving highest profitability, even though success rate is very less. So what I am always suggesting, I'm not going to ask you that start taking trades on a asset where the profitability is 30%. You can focus on a high profitability, but there is a difference between highest and high. By that I am trying to say, like if you check my my platform. So what I have done, I have opened some of moved some of the assets to the my favorite part, and in my favorite you can see that majority of the assets are having 80% or more than that. So you can do one thing, you can pick a couple of assets and put them in your favorite, and then start trading accordingly. You are not supposed to focus only on the profitability. Along with that, you need to focus that how much the percentage, the success rate you have. And traders, again requesting you, like today the trading battle challenge is there. So as Hemaji used to conduct some challenges where he is giving away some risk free trade, I am also used to do. So today we are doing the same all together. So in case if you wish to participate in that one, we have already added this link for the Google form in the description. I am sending it again in the chat box in the comment section. Just pick that one, open it in your, like you can open it in your browser, and all you just need to put your trader ID. Just select one name, like whom you think that how much he is going to make, and then just make an assumption or make an calculation that how much we are going to conclude before winding up this session. Whosoever will be giving the correct answer or the nearest to the correct will be getting a $10 risk free trade. So majority of time, like it's $5. So today communication is double, information is double, analysts are two, and of course risk free trades are also double. So let me take a couple of more comments. Okay. In case if I'll miss something, guys, I'm so sorry. Olymptrade, my withdrawal not
I
set.
would like to show something. I would like to show something to the trader. Please, can
Please,
I?
please,
So,
please,
guys,
please.
as mentioned before, that this is the crucial time of the trading. Usually people are asking what is the correct time to open the trade. So this is absolutely not the correct time to open the trade. How? I'm showing you right now in front of me. On my screen, you can see the I just put it the asset name USD JPY. That is belongs to the US currency. And right now, there is a 3 minute left to open the American market. And just because of that, you can see my situation. Market has become too much dicey, and I've got too many constantly unsuccessful trade. Reason behind of this, because the market is just US market is going to be open, and after that they will see the Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P 500 and all and all. As you can see the situation here, that is called the trend of uncertainty. There is a three type of trend in the market, guys. So one trend, what is the meaning of trend? Once we see the asset direction, the direction is going up or down. So if you can see the asset price is constantly going down for at least more than 10 candlesticks, that is called the downtrend. Once you see the candles are become reverse and you get the candles are going up more than 5 or 6 candles, that is called the uptrend. However, there is one more trend which is called the sideway trend. Sideway trend means like this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means the trend is going to be uh, you know the formation of the trend is going to be in particular pattern, but it's not properly going up or properly going down. However, this is called the proper downtrend. You can see from 153 400 to it comes down to 153 point almost 153, but here there is a sideway trend. So there is a three major trend. And what is the versa trend? This kind of trend. So those who are focusing on the one asset, someone I think asking how to select the asset and how to choose the asset, for those this is very useful thing. If you are going to choose the asset, do not bounded yourself or stuck yourself for one asset just like this. This is called the trend of uncertainty. There is no option to open the trade. If you can open the trade for up, it will go down. If you can open the trade for down, because there is a one high one low, one high one low, or one green one red, one green one red. Even after the I can show you properly, even after the proper signal, you will not able to get the trade. Why? Because this is providing the trend of uncertainty. That trend of uncertainty is actually makes you always in problematic things, because maximum trader just focusing like I very much like to Asia Composite Index, or I very much like XYZ asset, and I'm trying to open the trade over and over there. But remember one thing, I can give you one example. We all here who's listening to, who's just our viewers, or there is a situation like we have some kind of vehicles on our house, like car or bike or anything. They have the separate gears, like 5 or 6, and some automatic car and bikes don't have gear, but at least they have that have the paddles. So what we need to do, we shouldn't drive our bike or car on one single gear. We need to change the gear always according to the situation. And the same in the automatic car also, you need to just maintain your speed according to the situation. So try and understand, you need to open the trade according to the trend. How to select the asset? So you need to click here on the asset section. You can see here is the profitability. The profitability you will get here, you will get it according to your account status. So you need to click to any profitability, click here to over 80%. Now, Kunal is sharing something to you before. Like mostly people very much like to open the trade on 93% asset or 92% asset. Why we are not going to open the trade on 80%? Like if you have 10 trades, and if you have 7 unsuccessful trade with the 93% and 3 successful trade with the 93%, because they don't have trend. There is no mean. However, if you find some trend on the 80% asset and you have the absolutely opposite result, suppose you open 10 trades and have 7 profitable trades and 3 unsuccessful trades, then it's worthy. So remember, this market is ready to give you money and ready to take your money. It's up to you what you choose. And for getting profitability, guys, money, it's not easy to earn. You need to do some efforts, even more efforts. There is no chance like I can come and I open some trades with the 5 second time frame and become a billionaire and Warren Buffett. No, not at all. You need to find your profitable trades. If you can see even our trades, doesn't matter profitable or negativity, you can see that there is a difference in the every assets. We open the trades, we open the trades and changing the assets. Why? We want profit. For this, we need to do some efforts. Right. Okay, so too much gyan I already provided. So yeah, someone is asking always trade candle is closing, right? No, actually the entry point. Okay, this is the correct answer. One of the sorry, the one of the good question I just always like. How where should we should open the trade? So let me show you. Okay, there is no trend. Let's find some asset for trend. And I put the candle on the 30-second chart. All right. Okay, let's make it on 1 minute time frame. And the trade time I should take off 2 minute. All right. No trend, no trend, no trend. Okay, so here it is. I just opened the trade. I'm not sure that it's going to be positive, so I just open with the but it's going to be, because when we are not thinking that it's going to be positive then. So if we put the candlestick of 1 minute time frame, the candle duration time has become 16 minutes, 60 minutes. I'm so sorry. So if you wanted to open the trade and if you already you just like I put it the strategy and I feel okay, from now this is going to be change. The direction of DPO is going to be changed and next candle is providing us a signal. So I already set everything, my timing, my money, my minutes, candle timing, everything. If you see the signal is already started, try to open the trade as soon as candle start. Means 60 seconds duration of the candle. Better you can open the trade on first 10 seconds or maximum 20 seconds. It will be good. Why? Because the fourth candle is or third, after the third or fourth candle you will find some change of the direction in candle. One, two, three. Here you can see. However, the trend is going to provide maybe kind of 4, 5, 6 candles. But and if you choose the graph time of 30 seconds, no worries, you need to open the trade in first 5 seconds. So entry point should be solid and strong. Remember, guys. Okay, so Kunal.
Sure. 100% true, Modiji. So, guys, what exactly we are just trying to say, like, this is something I'm always used to share with you. So, never ever try to catch a running train or bus, because that can lead to a accident. So, signal can be there, signal might be there, and signal was there. These are the three conditions where we are not supposed to take a trade. Signal is there. I am available on the asset. Everything is team right. Go for it. That is the reason that sometimes we are conducting one challenge where we are supposed to execute a specific trade in a specific time window. All we just we are just trying to help you with the mindset that what you are supposed to focus on. So in case, like, sometimes some traders are used to say that, sir, there was a very nice opportunity but I missed because I was thinking that whether I should take a trade or not. And sometime, sir, there was a possibility that the signal might be there and I took the opportunity. So both of them, both the conditions are not going to make anything. So you have to focus on that. And in the meantime, traders again requesting you, so last 5 minutes to accept the entry. So far we have received only one entry from one of our traders. And so in case if you want to participate in that one, feel free to add on your details to the Google form, which I have shared in the chat section, or that is available in the description. At the same time, my trades are visible in front of you. So let me show you, Modiji. I have tried, a couple of taking couple of trades. A few were positive, but the beginning was very bad for me. And as Modiji was also giving you information about that, how the US market is affecting. So the best suggestion which I would love to give you, that traders, whenever you are trading, like throughout your day, I'm not going to say that the US market is something that where you will not be able to make profit. That is not true. There are n number of traders those who are making profit. But what I'll suggest, if possible, just take a quick break from 6:45 p.m. Indian Standard to 7:50. Just try to observe what exactly is happening into the market, whether the strategy which you were using previously is following the same trend, or whether we need to change the gear. And at the same time, if you think that sir, like I am not that good with the back testing, or I will not be able to grab that whether everything is working fine, either reduce the amount to the minimum, or in the meantime, again the best which I'll suggest, move to demo account. Now some traders, Modi ji, now you might be finding some traders will start shouting in the comment section, sir, on demo account we are able to make profit, but on a real account it is very hard to make profit. But traders understand one
Yeah,
thing, only the mindset which is different. So focus on that part also, because when we are trading on a demo account, we do not have any, greed or pressure or anything, any excitement to make money. And at the same time, when we are trading on the live account, then we are quite eager to make money. Everybody is eager. I'm not going to say that it's incorrect. That is completely fine. Completely agree with that. But all you just need to wait for the correct position. Trading is not about investing money again and again. It's about investing more when you are right, investing less when you are wrong. So try to grab hold on that as well. And traders, still, if you wish, you can participate in today's contest. Okay, so see, Modi ji, I got one confirmation for you that you will be making $65, and for me, I got one like one trader confirm I will be making 26,745.
thank you so much. Kunal will become a millionaire.
I wish like that
Guys,
will that will come true.
yep. So about demo and all, guys, there is a big thing. There is a two important thing in trading. One is psychology. When we are going to open the trade, we always try to become rich very early, as early as possible. So why we joined the Olymptrade or any other platform? Because we want some money. How much? No answer for
Too
this
much.
question. How much money we want? So there is no target, no aim, no discipline. We are just coming and we are trying to opening the trades in the 5 seconds. And actually, usually we are coming here to get some money like 30, 40, 25, 30%, which is of according to our balance or something like, which is kind of pocket money. And we got it. Even 2, 3, 400% we got it. Sometimes what happened? I have many stories like that. The trader put the $10 and he make 300, 400, $500 with that. But what is the problem? They didn't withdraw the money. The greed is coming more and more because yeah, just it's from $10 to $1 to $100. We are just checking this only with the numbers. What about the percentage? 1 to 10, it's 100%, and 1 to 100 is going to be 1000%, at least 100%. Like anyone can provide me any number of thing around the world which can provide us a 20% return per year. I don't think so. And which can which and the investment amount in $10, I don't think so. So that's just because we are getting the profitability, we become overexcited, and our expectations going too much high, guys. So what we did, we are just doing the trades without any knowledge, and unknowingly we are trying to open the trade, and we are just keeping money higher our risk too much, and then we are getting some losses. Sometimes the situation is like we got the 95% profitability and the greed said, yeah, it's 95, let's make it 100, and clean bolt. The $5, just because of $5 we lost usually $95 profitability as well as the balance which we have in our account. So try to not become greedy. Make your target of the day. And a one mistake which we always do. Whenever we lose, whenever we are having the unsuccessful trade, we did one important one thing which is, according to me, I'm so sorry, which is very vulgar. We just make the timing of trading shorter and increase the amount, higher the amount. Because we
True.
wanted to recover our amount as early as possible. But we didn't think one situation. Why this losses is coming? Because we didn't change our way. If you wanted to change your result, You need to change your way or direction. Simple. So, according to me, if you want to learn about the psychology after 4 or 5 trade, take some break, chill. There is the trading is continue 24 hours, guys. Tomorrow there is nothing, anything is going not anywhere. So the best strategy sometime to close your phone or close your laptop. This is the best strategy sometimes. Seriously. So after having the losses, you need to just set some target of your profit and loss only on day wise situation. Okay, so I have one fan, bro. Thank you so much, Durgesh ji. Namaskar. How are you? 3 years completed. Good journey. Olymptrade. Special thanks, Hemant sir. My plan, my trading, all also changed. Thank you so much, sir. It's actually what we are doing, like me, Kunal, and everywhere. Any specialist or analyst, we are just providing you the direction. It's up to you that you want to take this direction or not. So, Durgesh ji, if you wanted to continue, my email ID is always open for you, and my Zoom is always open for you. Please come, and we will discuss more. So, this is the GAN which I just provided. So, remember one thing: whenever you are in kind of emotions, do not rise your amount. Just open the trade from 1 to 5%. That's it. Minimum 1, maximum 5. Means if you have, let's suppose, $100 in your account, so open your trade from $1 to maximum $5 and make one trade one by one. Some people just open the trade, multiple trade at one time. Don't do this. One trade, one time. It can be helpful for you. Over to you, Kunal.
Exactly. 100% agree with that, Modi ji. And traders, see, understand one thing. Every day is not Diwali, every day is not Eid, every day is not Christmas, then of course, every day is not profit. There can be some days when you will be facing some losses. So that is completely fine. Accept it, but that should be calculative. And that can be calculated, like it's going to be a very vast topic if we will start diving into that. But this is one of my favorite topic also, because that is something which people like traders are always lacking behind. So that is your risk management and money management. So any one of you whosoever is having their personal analyst, I request you check with them. They will be guiding you with that as well. And in the meantime, traders, before winding up this session, I just want to confirm, tell you one thing, that we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages on this channel. So like whether it's Hindi, Urdu, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, like multiple languages are available on this channel. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you just explore the playlist, so you will be able to get more and more information. And all speakers are coming live on different time windows. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to connect with us, and we will be able to guide you. Because see, traders, understand one thing: it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So always focus on your learning part. As I'm always used to repeat myself, it's not only about investing money, you have to invest some time also. You have to spend some time. Technicals are not something like that you will just gulp it and you will just find the taste. You have to practice it on your demo accounts. I have seen so many traders, they are stating, sir, the technical which you gave me in the last session, that didn't work. Then I am asking, sir, how many trades you have open? And Hemaji, to be honest, they are used to say, sir, 10 trades or 5 trades. I'm
Yep.
always amazed to see that, like, after taking 10 trades, somebody can make a judgment that this is not something working for them. I know that in that we are going to invest some money, so that is going to cost you something. But who is asking you to try it on live account? You can try it on your demo, buddy. And this is something where traders are always lacking. See, guys, I just want to be clear on one thing: a trader and a successful trader, there is a very thin line difference between them, and that is a discipline. As one of the trader of Durgeshi, Hemaji, Durgeshi mentioned that he started working on plan, things are going fine. So I can give you 100% surety that he got a plan and he is following that. I know that that will take some time. You are not going to be a millionaire overnight. That is going to take some time. But once you will start moving on that journey, then you will start exploring that, okay, how the things are working. And for me today, the things are not that great. So I have opened a couple of more trades also. Crypto composite, like, it deceives me somewhere. Like, I was
I
trying to
think this
grab
is this
this.
is I think this is I think this is pure cheating, Kunal, right now, because as we discussed, we are going to open the trade for only sometimes, and at the last before 15 minutes we shouldn't start open the trade. So now just because you are maybe getting some worse results, so you are just doing some more to get some, kind of okay, yaar, let me.
See, Modi ji, when you taught me about trading, you didn't ask taught me about that, like you are not supposed to cheat during the live session. So this is your fault, huh?
That's the thing. Actually, I'm always stopping to the each and every person. Don't be greedy and don't do some kind of over trades. Once you feel like okay, I just trade 4, 5, 6 trades, 10 trades. Okay, someone asking the money management. The best way of the money management, try to always make your money in control 1 to 5%. After some trades, please take some breaks. Do not use the martingale system, especially at the time whenever you are having kind of emotions in your mind. See, if I am in kind of greed situation, only I can know. Kunal is not able to understand, nobody can understand, so only I am the person who can stop it. Only I am the person who can stop that. So you know better yourself. And more or less, if you are not able to stop yourself to make your amount higher, then stop your trading for some time. Take a break, get some tea, coffee, cold drink, and whatever you like. Not that type of drink, only this kind of drink, which is can make you calm. Not not even more aggressive, not even providing you more in emotions. That type of drink, please don't take, guys, and do not use this at the time of trading. However, it's your life. So just that's the best way to open the trade. Like first you come, okay, I'll give you the normal situation in our routine life. What we are doing, I'm so sorry guys, there is electricity issue, so I need to close my cam. Maybe I'll be back, but you can see my face like this. So basically, it's the situation is be like whenever we are just starting our life, okay, doesn't do whenever we are doing anything, eating, taking shower, riding the bike, whatever we did some checkings. Let's discuss about the dinner or lunch or breakfast. Whenever we are eating, the first bite or first spoon is like the taste. Is the salt is high? Is the pepper or spices is okay or not? Maybe it's too much hot or cold. Then we start second, third. Same like a vehicles. I gave you the example. The gears 1, 2, 3, slow, then fast, then fast. Then we will put the top gear. Even in the case of shower in winters, we are just checking the water. It's too much hot, it's low hot, it's mid hot, it's cold. Why we don't use this? We didn't use this exercise in trading. So once you start your trade, come check the market scenario, market trend, asset trend. Starts your trade with a small amount for checking trades. Once you see, okay, the market is good, trend is working fine, and you are able to get some signals from you by using the strategies, then you can make or start your trades with higher amount, which is not higher than 5 to 10% of your balance amount. However, if you have lesser amount and less experience, then you can use 1% only. Yes. So let's check the comment box and let's check our trades.
Like for me, the day was not that quite good because I didn't use any RFTs. So mine was like on an edge, no profit, no loss somewhere. And what about you, Hemanji?
But I will let me tell you, one, two, you can share my screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 positive trades I have.
Very nice. So 11, that will be somewhere around 170, 200.
Yes, it's somewhere around more than 150, near about 165 to 170, because some trades are belongs to the 18 profitability, some trades are around 17 profitability, and some trades is around $16 profitability. So it's on an average I can say 150 to 175 in between.
Very nice. Okay, so traders, as per the calculation, as Hemantji gave the calculation somewhere around 160. So we have one trader who gave the estimation somewhere around 150. So that was the nearest one. So his trader ID is 1033633463. I'm repeating it again.
Oh,
It's 10.
congratulations.
Yeah, many congratulations again. I'm repeating. So traders, if you are still like if that specific trader is still available in the session, so please confirm your name so we can give you a shout out, and of course we can congratulate. So I'm repeating again, it's 1033633463. 463. Just please confirm if you're still available in the in the session. And
Can you please repeat the ID, Kunal? 10
for for sure, it's 1033
double three
63
six three
463.
463. So the name. Here we go. So the winner name is Mr. Hussein from Dhaka.
Very nice, Hussain ji. Many congratulations. So I'll make sure that you will be getting your promised $10 as soon as possible. I will just forward to the relevant department. And before we'll wind up, so Hemanji, we have a very interesting comment from my Mehboob Shah that this platform control on yourself. This app is fake. I have made some losses and I make to install. See, so would you like to answer or should I?
I think you can, and if you need my help, I will. I'm always with you.
So sweet. So see, Mehboob one thing I just want, I'm sad to see that you are facing some losses on the platform, but this is not something like which is, fixed or something like that. Three major reasons I will be telling you that why I believe or why I am stating this, giving this information. First one, we are regulated by the government of Vanuatu. We are the member of FinCom. And third thing, if you think that there is anything fixed, just go to the platform, open any asset, go to this button, go to the view quote history. Every moment, whenever any code update is there, that is visible here. At the same time, it's not us those who are going to verify the code. There is a third party, so you can check the confirmation also.
Let me
Okay.
show you, guys. Let me show you. So one
Oh,
more thing, Mehboob ji. Mehboob ji, I think your name is Mehboob Khan ji. Sir, I'm Mehboob Shasi. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm so sorry to hear about your inconvenience and all things. But, sir, remember one thing. There is a human nature. When we are not doing anything, or when we are not, the thing is not going according to us, we called it, it's bad. Olymptrade is successfully running from last 11 years. 11 years. Successfully. With all your blessings, guys. Thank you so much for your love. Olymptrade is successfully running from last 11 years, and we are the member of Financial Commission. If you wanted to know about the Olymptrade, I will definitely provide you the detail about the Olymptrade, that what is Olymptrade. Before saying anything, I'm not saying that you are saying, I mean, there is your personal experience. You can check here. I'm sending you the link. What is Olymptrade? Please check. Then I can ask you one simple question, guys. One simple and single question. If this app is fake and if we are doing something wrong, then why shouldn't we hide it ourselves? Why don't we hide it ourselves? You are saying showing we are showing our face to you. You can see our podcast is also there. Every week, guys, every week, if you are become the expert status, just like Durgesh ji already wrote it over there, if you are become the expert status, you will get the financial analyst like me and like Kunal, and we have many. Every week you are getting two personal consultations, and then you are getting three Zoom consultation if you are become the expert status, so group sessions. And we are on the YouTube all 5 days, Monday to Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 in English, and Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. in Hindi. We are providing the consultations and teaching you how to trade. Why? If it's very easy to get your money, and if there is a manipulation and there is a big, then why we are doing this much of efforts, bro? Why? There is okay. So understand one thing. Our desire to win or frustration of loss, making ourselves, it's going to make the mistakes from our side. Try to control your emotions. This is not kind of the betting app or something like that, or just poker or something like I want to become a Warren Buffett in 5 seconds. Please, this is a trading.
true.
And guys, if you're going to translate your trading, you can check it. The meaning of trading is business. So this is your business. You put your money over here, but just because we are putting the very small money, sometimes we are not taking it seriously. Take it seriously, just like you are taking your family, your business, your job, your kids, your friends, girlfriends seriously. Now you need to take it seriously. You need to take it seriously. Again, I'm repeating one last comment, expert comment from my side. If you earn You need to learn, because the learning is the very biggest thing in human life. Remember this, guys. Thank you so much.
And traders, before winding up this conversation, so as Hemantji also talked about that we are providing some personal consultation. So one thing I just want to confirm for that also. So those are also not paid. Everything, whatever all the resources which we are adding to help you in your trading concerns, trading journey, everything is free. So that is the reason that we are always also looking forward so that we can come into the picture and we can help you. But still, if anybody is having any doubt, any question, query, support team is there, you can ask them. And in the meantime, again, my congratulations to the winner. I'm so sorry if if we have missed any of your comment. We will try to cover it in the coming session. Please feel free to join our family, subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, feel free to join us. So thank you so much
And
again. Thank you so much.
apologies of any kind of inconvenience, guys, and maybe something which maybe I or Kunal said and which you don't like. I'm so sorry for that, but there is nothing personal. We are just trying to help you, and we want you to become a trader, a good trader. So stay with us. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Bye guys, take care, cheers. Thank you so much for such an interactive
So
session.
thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Have a great day. Jai Hind. Namaskar. Take care. Bye bye.